everyone, welcome to like my first ever YouTube video that I've been wanting to do for like the longest time. Wow, my glasses. But I wanted to show you guys how I do my everyday makeup routine. But I hope you enjoy this. And also I'm going to be using some new highlighters. Highlighter, because my money, I cannot afford so many highlighters. I wish I could. I like to take micellar water. I used to say micellar water because that's what it says on here. So I just take a little cotton pad, soak it up. So I'm going to use this thing called Everyday Oil. I honestly just bought it. It's pretty amazing. It actually cleared up my skin. So I'm just going to take one pump and just distribute it. It has a pretty strong smell, but everything is literally like, everything is natural in here. There's nothing like chemicals or anything. It's a pretty amazing oil. If you guys are interested, I'll leave the link down below. So the thing that's been working for me right now, I've been mixing this Buxom Show Some Skin Weightless Foundation. I just put like, squeeze out a little bit. 2 drops of the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation. Got this brand from Target, but I love this brand. It's the Sonia Kashuk Radiant Plus Tinted Moisturizer in the shade Honey, because I'm a little bit tan in some areas in my skin and my body. So I was just like, I'm gonna add that in, and it turned out to be like the perfect foundation color. So what I've been using in order to distribute foundation is this Real Techniques contour brush. I know what you're thinking, it's a contour brush meant for contouring, but I like to use it for my foundation. I think it's pretty great. So literally you're just gonna, so then I go in with like a beauty blender or the Real Techniques blender, because my bougie ass really did not get the beauty blender because I'm balling on a budget. And I use is the ColourPop Cosmetics concealer here. So I'm just gonna spot conceal them right there and go in with my beauty blender. Flawless. I'm a new woman. As you guys can tell, I literally just use my glasses and then take them off for when I take pictures for Instagram. Let me tell y'all, I'm really blind. So I am going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. If you guys have like really good like illuminating concealers or like good concealers that you like to use, please leave them in the recommendation box. Like, don't get me wrong, I love this. It's a great cheap alternative. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the triangle method. So this is the ColourPop Cosmetics, the concealer, but this one's in the shade Light 02. And what I'm gonna do is literally draw one line, just enough. I like using liquids when it comes to contouring and stuff, only because it looks a lot more natural. So the color that I use to contour is Maybelline Fit Me. Like I said, I'm a big fan. Maybelline Fit Me 30 Cafe. Here, one slash there. I used to do it on my neck. Probably will, because you know, genetic wise, I have a double neck, and it's not pretty. We out here snatching our faces. During this time, I like to put some kind of like gel on my brows, like a colored gel. I'm going to use is Subconscious. It's more of like a grayish, it's the lightest one there. Now that I've gone over my eyebrows, I gave it some time to like dry a little bit. So what I'm gonna go in with is I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows just a bit. As you can tell, my eyebrows are really full, so I really don't need to fill them in, but I like to, only because it honestly looks so much better when you're gonna see. Brush on some concealer, and voila, just go in with the Anastasia brow gel. It's really great. I like using this stuff. So after that, I'm just going to go in with some blush. Every single time I add anything new though, one thing you'll see that I always go over it with the beauty blender just to pat it and work it into my skin. I'm actually just going to go over the eye area with a little bit of powder. I usually used to put it all over, powder all over my face, but since I do have dry skin, especially on this area, like towards the end of the day, it just looks chalky and really, really bad. So I stopped putting it there. Put setting powder, setting spray, before I put like highlighter. Hey, I'm actually gonna be trying out a new one. I'm so excited. I got it yesterday. Got it delivered. The Anastasia Beverly Hills times Amrezy highlight. I'm like super excited to try this. Especially one of her collabs. You know, I've never, and she's like the queen of highlighting. Then this is the packaging. If you guys can see it, it's really, really pretty. I think it's rose gold. My blind eye sees it as a rose gold. It's so cool. It's like rigid. It looks like waves, but literally, ooh, wow. It's so blinding. Like you saw that? Okay, there we go. But it looks like there's waves of highlight, but literally it is rigid. So let's see. We're just gonna swatch this really quick. Wow, that was wow. But yeah, I'm gonna try this. I'm literally tapping on. Oh wow, nothing came out. Oh my god, I'm so scared. All right. Oh my god, this is so wow. It's like a nice smooth skin finish. Like, do you see that? Like, wow. Like, even the light is catching it. That's crazy. I would just like, I like to put my highlight around this area. And like, wow, that's crazy. Whoa, that's really crazy. Oh my god. When it comes to working on clients, like my biggest fear is literally using an eyelash curler. Like, I think that's like every makeup artist's like fear or like thing they hate, because when it comes to your eyelashes, like literally you can get every angle. You can literally like get all the eyelashes and make them curled, and then when I do it on another person, I get like half their eyelashes, so it's like half the potential their lashes could be. Just work it. So depending on the mood that I am in, I use I love dark colors. I literally live for dark colors. If I'm going for like an everyday, I love going for a nude. My favorite nude colors, literally my two favorite nude colors, matte, glossy. I love gloss. My favorite go-to color is from NYX, one of the NYX soft matte lip cream in Abu Dhabi. Literally such a beautiful color, such an everyday color. Probably gonna use this for today, and then I'm gonna add a gloss over, and I'm gonna show you which glosses I do like. So yeah. I feel like the camera makes my face look weird. Like, it makes it look like twisted. If you guys see that, like what I'm trying to say, like, let me know. And I'm gonna have to figure something out, like how to fix that. But then I just let it dry a little bit, because it is a matte color and you just don't want to pile it over and it's just gonna mix it up. So let it dry a little bit, let it just set. One of my favorite lip glosses that I like using is it's an oil lip gloss. It's from Too Faced, the Sweet Peach collection. This one's in color Papa Don't Peach. That's such a cute name. Either that one, or I use the Fenty Beauty, the lip balm. And there you have it, my everyday makeup routine. If you guys liked this material, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm like a newbie here, so any comments or helpful comments. But I really do hope you guys enjoy this. I had fun. This is actually a lot of fun. Why haven't I done this before?